Hey, Samantha. So this is an answer to your question in regards to using a custom booking form for your booking calendar. So what I've done is I've set up a funnel with a custom booking form in it, and it has a radio option with three options, which has its name set to choose an option. Now, what this means is that if I choose option A, option B, or option C, that is going to get mapped right back to the context custom meta. And I'll show you that in a minute. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to our calendar with this information. And I've already selected the custom booking form to use for this particular calendar. So let's go create a new appointment. So I'll just click view on that. And what I can do is I'll just select a date, time, and then fill out my information. Let's give it a different email address. There we go. And then I'll select option B for this particular contact and then submit. There we go. Our contact or our appointment is created for this contact. So let's go back to our contact CRM. And we'll go see where that option is stored. So here's our new contact record. We can see that we have his email address. If we go to the meta, there it is, choose an option, and that's mapped to option B. So what this is here, this little bit, that's a replacement code. So what we can do is we can actually take that, and if we go back to our calendar, and we booked through our 1 hour calendar. We can take this and we can put it in a few areas. For example, our additional instructions or notes. For any future appointments, we could paste that in there, and then the responses from that form would actually get merged into the notes. And you can actually put any replacement codes here, like their first name, their last name, their mobile phone, anything. It would be added to this. You could add it to this text area here. And then it would also be added to the appointment notes. So when you're actually looking at appointments for this calendar, it should load in a minute. There we go. Those would actually show in the details area. So what you have to do is you have to take the replacement code and you actually have to add it to that additional appointments and notes area. And then what you'll get is showing appointments or showing that extra information in the appointment details themselves. So I hope that answers your question into where that information goes and how you can use it. All you got to do is you just got to grab the replacement codes that are created by those fields and then put them in this additional instructions and notes. And that gets merged into the notes after the appointment has been created.